white cells are less in number and larger than the red cells. इसके नंबर कम होंगे. It is having less number in place of red cells. Therefore, the technique of counting blood cells can be learned easily with white cells. उसके बाद में क्या कर सकते हो? Therefore, it is a technique to counting the blood cells is very easily with white cells. Red cells are having more in number, so we will have to face the difficulty in place of WBC. But it will be necessary to destroy the red cells and to stain the white cells for easy identification as they are colorless and countable. अब इसमें क्या हो रहा है इसमें? And it is very difficult to counting in the red blood cells, in place of WBC, because WBCs are having less in number. So we can do one thing, we will destroy the RBC, red blood cells को हम destroy कर देंगे. So if we will destroy the RBC, then we will have only WBC. Easily we can take up. We can counting it, right? So this is a one technique here. Now, what are the equipments? Equipments are here: WBC pipette, Newman counting chamber with cover glass, needles, stride, and others में WBC dilating fluid, cotton, and rectified speed. Right? Next. Procedure. What is the procedure? The white self-pipette consists of a thick walled capillary tube, which is expanded at one point to form a bulb. Bulb is there. The tube between the tip and the bulb is divided into 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts. Such as fifth division is labeled as 0.5 and the 10th as 1.0. Right? The beginning of the capillary beyond the bulb is marked 11. In case of WBC, we are having 11 number. But in place of this RBC cell, we have 101. 0.5 and finally is 101. This means the volume of the bulb is 10 times the volume of the capillary tube for the first part. So that is what we can say. It is a 10 times volume of the capillary tube of the first part. Right? This does not represent any non-volume, but only proportion. If blood is taken up to the mark of 0.5 and dilating fluid drawn up to 11, the bulb would have been dilated 20 times. 1 in 20. So this is because the fluid in the capillary would not contain any blood, and any of mixing is unlikely to force the blood back into the capillary tube, and it is the mixing up of the blood in the bulb is promoted by a white bead placed in it. The bulb which is having white bead in case of WBC, but in case of RBC, there is red bead. What? The bead is having part. What is the importance of the bead? It is having while we are mixing the blood and diuretic fluid, so it will be help in the mix together blood with the diuretic fluid. Next, understand?
Yes.
Clear? The Newman counting chamber is widely used. Always we can use the Newman counting chamber in place of total count of WBC, total count of RBC, total count of platelets also. The counting chamber is the spatial side with slide with H-shaped system of the fruits extending right exactly 0.1 millimeter below the ridges on either side. A number of small square is an area of the 3 millimeter wide and 3 millimeter long are engraved at the center of the each platform. My means what I want to say, suppose what I have told here as shaped means suppose this is the counting chamber, either side. So there are four perpendicular and four vertical. Either side this, ये कौन सा हो गया यहाँ पर, right, downwards and transverse. These are the 0.1 millimeter of traces. So that is why we are having here 4 into 4 is equal to 16. But we have 4 columns, 1, similarly 2, 3 and 4. So 16 into 4 is equal to 64. Right? 64 squares. We will take out the reading. We will calculate the cells. All 4 into 4 into 4. That means 64 may. There are so many WBC cells are there. And our formula will be here. Number of cells, total count of WBC is equal to number of cells, area counted into dilution factor. That is what? TC is equal to N into area counted into dilution factor. Here N means number of cells, number of WBC cells divided by area. Area means 64, right? And dilution factor is 1 by 20, right? Now it will be again, or you can say one thing. Instead 64 we can take out here 4, because we have 4 columns. So simplify it, and into 4 into 20 by and into 20 divided by 4 means 5. So n is equal to 50 into 100 over 100. So that means we add into 50. Number of cells multiplied by 50. Cells, कौन सी cells? WBC cells per cubic millimeter of blood. This is the formula. This is the formula by we can take out the reading of the WBC, total count of WBC. So there here 3 millimeter wide and 3 millimeter long are identified at the center of the each platform, and this area contains 9 large squares across its middle, such a way that turf includes 2 platforms with counting area. The platforms are 1 square millimeter each. Now next is the 4 large squares, 4 corners are used to count. 4 corner हो गए 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 large squares in the 4 corners are used to count white cells, and each of these squares is divided into 60 small squares. The squares at the center is used for counting red cells, and this square is divided into 25 medium size squares. That means 0.2 millimeter into 0.2 millimeter, and each of these squares is further divided into 16 squares. That is 0.05 millimeter into 0.05 millimeter. When a special cover slip is placed across the ridges above the platform, and diluted blood is charged into the space between the cover slip and the platform. Now we have taken out the Stanford solution. In WBC pipette we have what? Blood and diluted fluid. So after a few times, after a few minutes, we can take out the Stanford solution and first discharge on duty discharge 1 drop of solution in the gut of platform. 12 platform इसका newer counting chamber. So that is why cover slip and platform, the volume of the fluid contained in any one of the large square will be 0.1 millimeter, and the film will be there. The film will be become made there. This is the diagram by which these are the subcells, these are the columns, and these are the cells, WBC cells. Now we can do one thing. Those cells which are appeared on the in between the border, we will not calculate, or other than the outside of the column line, we will not calculate. But in between box, the total cell will be counted, and we will keep it in total and put on the formula and take out the reading. So this is about the total count of WBC. This session powered by digital version 2.0 to the equipment industry. I hope you will be satisfied with my digital session, and if you have any query, please mention in the comment box, and we will try to resolve with 2 live sessions. So this is all about the WBC and RBC total count. First thing is the total number of count. RBC is more in number. Non-nucleated cells are there, but here less in number, and nucleated cells here. Nucleated cells are found in here. In case of the RBC, there are colored red in color, but in case of WBC, colorless. So these are the different. Third is total number, means normal value of the total count of WBC is 4,000 to 11,000 cells per cubic millimeter. Whereas in case of the RBC, the total number of RBC is 5 to 5.5 million per cubic millimeter of blood. Right? So these are the very low difficult task is there. But here, what we will use in the equipment, the hemocytometer. In case of RBC, RBC pipette. In case of WBC, WBC pipette. And human counting chamber is common with the covered glass. In case of RBC, we will use here RBC diluting fluid. But in case of the WBC, we can use the WBC diluting fluid. Right? And we will have our compound binocular microscope, and we will see under the low power of spectrum, and we will take out the reading. Right? So this is all about this total count of WBC. Is there any query? Any question? No?
No, sir.
Nikita?
No, sir.
तुम्हारा बिल था?
Send.
गुलशमा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Your uncle is also doctor?
No, brother.
Brother. VS?
BMS.
BUMS. जयपुर और और कहाँ?
Jaipur.
Now closing